new program at Ivy Tech. They learn a little bit about every trade and every aspect of a building, not just locked into one, but multiple areas of construction and maintenance.
This CT is going to be in great demand and provide great opportunity for students at Ivy Tech.
Students that finish this certification program are going to have a basic knowledge of a lot of things. So they're actually going to be able to, quote, hit the ground running when they actually are picked up by someone.
There's hospitals, there's schools, there's nursing homes, which require to have people to maintain the buildings. Understanding what airflow through a building and have the right humidity, the right temperature will make people more comfortable and more productive.
I'm excited for Ivy Tech to provide an opportunity for students to have a well-rounded education. I oftentimes receive applications where individuals are strong in HVAC but don't have any plumbing experience. It will be nice to have a resource in Indiana where we can have applicants who have a well-rounded education and apply for the positions that we have available.
There's demand in the field, and it's great for us to have the opportunity to recruit out of this position. Students should choose Ivy Tech because we have great facilities, great training opportunities, good equipment, great teachers.
And so maintenance, again, it could be in hospitals, schools, nursing facilities, high-rise office buildings. They have staff of maintenance people to maintain the equipment.
There are tons of opportunities in Indiana for this type of certification, not only in multifamily housing where I need individuals like that, but in factories and every kind of job they need maintenance supervisors, and they need to have a well-rounded education, which I think Ivy Tech can provide through this certificate.